mark this out. I've also seen price find support around here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this right here. If it breaks below that, then we can consider around here and right here, but that's long-term stuff. Now turning points is what I'm looking for right now, and we can see how this downtrend is pretty much forming gradually, right? And then we see this massive rejection to the upside. This is not meant to be a full in-depth analysis, really. It's just a quick analysis that I'm doing for CHFJPY. It's not my full style of analysis. There's way more that I consider when I am doing my analysis, but this is not one of those videos. Just a quick one, really. I just turned up my laptop right now. Look at the time, 11:59 p.m. It's nearly midnight, and I'm just doing this for fun, you know, and also see how that works. Why do I have two lines close to each other? I don't know. I just put that right there. Okay, I do know, but I don't want to explain. All right, so we do have this right here. If price were to be able to break and close below this level, then we may likely see a sell to the downside for 181 plus pips, which is really cool. I think if it stays up above this level, then we may see price try to weak fill towards this side for 96 plus pips, which is not necessarily a bad trade, really. And win is a win, really, as long as you make money. See, too many. This is an exhaustion zone right here, and look at that, getting filled in, getting rejected again. Another exhaustion zone right here for CHF. Multiple times, man, multiple times.